मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे Dow Jones S&P 500 Nasdaq open with moderate gains as US market investor focus on labor data this week. Details here. Dow Jones S&P 500 Nasdaq open with moderate gains as US market investor focus on labor data this week. Details here. US stock market today. The benchmark US stock market indices opened marginally higher on Tuesday, 6 January 2026. Our investor now focus on the incoming US economy, labor data after the Wall Street rally on Monday. The Bureau of Labor Statistics monthly data released and schedules suggested that the job openings and labor turnover survey November 2025, along with the state employment and the unemployment monthly report November 2025, is set to be released on 7 January 2026. At the 9:30 a.m. opening bell, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.02% to open at 48,987.36 points, while the S&P 500 rose 0.09% to open at 6,908.03 points. The Nasdaq Composite rose 0.22% to 23,446.959 points at the opening bell. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो गोल्ड रेट टुडे मेक्स गोल्ड कंसोलिडेटेड आफ्टर शार्प रन सिल्वर प्राइस जंप 6,000 per kg inch closer to record peak. Gold and silver price rose for the fourth consecutive session, with the yellow metal reaching 1,38,776 and silver at 2,51,500. Geopolitical tensions and the expectation of US rate cut have bolstered demand for the safe haven assets, keeping price near record high. Gold and silver price continue to the trade higher on for the fourth consecutive session on Tuesday, 6 January. Although there was no aggressive rally like yesterday, both metal are inching toward their record peak, having the reached level last seen in the final week of 2025. Gold picture for February delivery on makes surge another 0.50% or 656 to the day high of 1,38,776 per 10 gram, edging closer to the record high of 1.4 lakhs. It closed the Monday session with a 2,359 jumps. The 4-day rail has the lead the yellow metal to gain cumulatively by 2.30%. After surging 9,839 per kilogram in Monday session, silver price advanced another 6.0245 to the day's high of 2,52,180, coming closer to the all-time high of 2,54,174 and bring the 4-day rail to nearly 7%. Our spot platinums and rose 3.56% to $2,356 per ounce, while palladiums climbed 3% to $1,752. Platinum and palladiums widely used in the automotive catalytic converter has surged due to tight supply, tariff uncertainty, and a rotation from gold investment demand.